In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM from an Excel file. Whether you're migrating data from another platform or just getting started with HubSpot, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow to get your contacts imported quickly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have your list of contacts ready in an Excel spreadsheet and keep it handy. Having this prepared ahead of time will streamline the process. Let's dive into HubSpot now. Start by navigating to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the Contacts section. Think of the Contacts area as the central hub for all your contact-related information in HubSpot. It'll be your go-to spot for managing and accessing your CRM data. Next, you'll see the Import button. Click on this to begin the process of bringing your external contacts into HubSpot. Clicking Import will take you to a new window where you'll see an option that says Import Data. Go ahead and click that. This is essentially telling HubSpot that you're ready to bring in data from an outside source, in this case, your Excel file. Now you'll notice an option to Start Import. Click on it to take the next step in the import sequence. HubSpot will prompt you to select the type of data you want to import. Since we're focusing on contacts, select the corresponding option. Don't worry, HubSpot makes it pretty intuitive, guiding you through with clear choices. After selecting Contact, you'll need to click on the Next button to proceed. At this stage, you're preparing HubSpot to receive your files. You should now see an option to Choose a File, where you'll actually upload your Excel spreadsheet. Make sure your file is accurate and organized. A clean spreadsheet ensures that the import process goes smoothly. Once your file is securely uploaded, you'll need to hit Next again. This action is crucial as it moves you towards finalizing the import. HubSpot may ask you to confirm a few details, like columns matching and so on, but usually it does a good job of auto-matching the column headers from your spreadsheet with the fields in your CRM. Take a moment to verify that everything looks right. If it's all in order, follow any final prompts to complete the import. And there you have it. Your contacts are now in HubSpot ready for you to access and manage. By following these steps, you should have a seamless transition, bringing your contact data into HubSpot. Remember, accurate setup and verifying your data before and after import are key to maintaining a clean and effective CRM system. Thanks for joining me and happy importing.